Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to install ffmpeg on Windows 11. So first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com and search over here ffmpeg, and from here just simply go to their official website, which is ffmpeg.org. And now from here just simply click on download over here, the green icon, and you will have three options: the Linux, Windows, and Apple. And since I am using a Windows, I'm gonna go over here and just simply go over here Windows build by BTBN. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and select this one, ffmpeg master latest. And now from here just simply go ahead and select allocation and click on save. And now guys, from here it is saved on my desktop. So from here I'm just gonna simply go ahead and go to the file manager over here, or file explorer, and gonna go to C, and I'm gonna create a folder over here. And now just simply name this ffmpeg, and now just simply click on it and move the zip file over here, and right click on it and go for extract here. And now just simply wait for it to load up and open the file and go to bin. And from here just simply select this all and right click on it and cut. And from here just simply go back and just simply paste it over here. And now from here just simply delete these two. And after you've done that guys, just simply go ahead and select this one and just simply right click on it and copy. And now just simply go to the start menu over here and just simply search over here edit system environment variables. And now from here just simply go for environment variables over here. And now from here just simply go ahead and double click the path over here. And now just simply go ahead and click on new. And after that, just simply paste it over here, the location that we just copied, and click on OK, and click on OK. And from there, you should be able to install it correctly. And now, in order for you to ensure if it's downloaded, just simply go ahead and go to the start menu and search for CMD or command prompt. And from here, just simply type it over here, ffmpeg. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.